Hi, in this episode we are going to look at app.route. This is a simple way to merge together the logic for the forward/route. So we are going to simplify our code. If you notice here we have the same route / for get method, post method, put method, delete, and so on. So we can simplify the logic by remove all these lines of code. So we are going to write route / and here we can chain all the methods that we want for this URL path /. So what we are going to do, we are going to do .get, and here we have request response. This is the first rest.send for the get method. Here we can do get method, great. And now what we want to extend this to, we want to chain all the other HTTP methods. So we're going to do something like this, and we delete the path because we don't need it anymore. We can do this, delete the path again, and delete this. So we are ready to test our application. Now let's do a little bit of format document, great, and save. Now we have our basic route / with get, post, put, delete. So the application is functional like before, but we have simplified our logic. Great. Here we have an error because we don't need this path. We must delete this. Great. And restart the application. Server started. If you go on Postman and you click get, you have get method. If you try post, you have post method. If you go put method, and so on.